Can we really earn $100 in a day just by copying and pasting videos online legally, making money online? You know what? In this video, I'm going to be trying out. Hopefully it's real, man. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial as to whatever he says in this video right here. Okay, so let's do it.
All right, guys, so the first tool we're going to need for this is we're going to need to go to openai.com and use ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, sign up right now, or if you have an account, sign in so we can get started with this tutorial. Now, the second thing that we're going to need to go ahead and set up is called the Temu Affiliate Program.
All right, so I'm in Temu website right here. Become a Temu influencer. We are looking for content creators to rock their favorite Temu looks and finds. Create content aligned with your brand and grow your following. All right, so I think I can join the program. I think I'm eligible for it. I think my country is eligible. I think so for the most part. Yeah, so I think it's safe to say I can do it, but am I going to be using this or am I going to be an affiliate? Yeah, let's go and watch the video again.
Now, once you sign up, your account is going to look like this, and we can make an affiliate commission by promoting these products, and people are making insane money. If we actually look right here, you'll see it should show up some earnings.
All right, so apparently we're not going to be influencers, right? We're not going to be taking part in the influencer side of things. We're not going to be part of the influencer program for Temu. We're just going to earn money being an affiliate. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just register for the account first, and I'll get back to you guys. Nice, so apparently just signing up for Temu account, I already earned like $5. $2 was like a registration, I think. I think it was a registration. Either it was a registration or it was just like a sign up thing. Yeah, I didn't really read properly, and then the additional $3, it was some, I don't even know, man, I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, but anyway, I earned like $5 without doing anything, right? As you guys can see right here, the available balance is like $5. Yeah, I didn't do anything. I didn't even promote anything just yet.
The next thing we want to do is we want to head over to YouTube and we want to set something up before we dive into the traffic. So I'm going to put in best Temu products. We're going to find a YouTube video based on the best Temu products. Now, what I would recommend, we're going to get into this a little bit later, is products based around females, but it doesn't really matter right now, but that's going to be up to you. Actually, we'll use this, best Temu kitchen haul.
All right, so what we're going to do next is we got to go to YouTube and we're going to search best Temu products. Let's go ahead and choose one of the videos, one of the Temu videos that has like high views. There's a lot of videos over here, a lot of selection. Yeah, so that's a good thing, right? It's a good thing for us. Okay, what I'm going to choose is something that has high views and relatively recent. Yeah, I do not want to choose a video that is like 2 years ago or 3 years ago even. So let's go with 50 cheap gadgets for gamers from Temu. 9 months ago, $578,000. Sorry, K views. Dollars. Alright, I'm just gonna use this. Alright, just gonna use this.
I'm gonna click on this video right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and copy this link. And I'm gonna go copy. The next step is we want to go to a website called Sniply, okay? And we want to go ahead and create a snip. And we want to post in our content, which is the YouTube video that we just found. And we're going to let it do its thing. We're going to go continue here. And what we are going to do now is we're going to create a custom, so this is the URL that we're going to get, but we're going to go create a call to action. Yeah, and then go to continue here. And we're going to create what's called a call to action. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go back to the Temu affiliate link here.
Apparently, we have to go to this website, which is called Sniply, SNIPLY. And this is just a website that allows you to add a call to action to every shortened link you share. So I'm gonna register an account first and then we'll see. Alright, so I've created my account right here as Sniply, and then I'm gonna go to create snip right here. And then what I gotta do next is I gotta paste the link from the YouTube side of things, hit continue, and then what? Subscribe to a Sniply plan. You're not currently on a subscription. Please select a plan of your choice to continue using our services. Excuse me. Excuse me. He didn't mention anything about this. He did not mention anything about this. He did not mention anything about signing up for an account first. Is there like a free trial sort of things? I want a free trial. I don't pay any money yet, man. There's no proof of concept. Like I always say, right? If there's a proof of concept first, then maybe it will make sense for us to invest in applications, softwares, whatever it is. But there's no free trial. What is a freemium? I want a freemium plan. Alright? I want a freemium type of payment plan. Wait a minute. I think I'm able to do it. You guys can see right here. There's a create CTA. right? I'll give it a click, and I'm over here. Create a call to action. And this is the link that I was talking about. Alright, so I think we don't really need to purchase a plan just yet. Yeah, so that's good news. I think so. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works.
I'm going to copy this link right here. This is my affiliate link. And we're going to go back to Sniply.
Alright, so I'm going to click on the general link over here. Going to copy it. Alright, so the call to action name will be Temu 2. Secondly would be the link, my affiliate link from Temu. For the headline would be coupon. Message would be use today Temu. That's it. Save it. That's it. That's it, right? Better be, man. Better be.
Put this into Google here. What's going to happen is we're going to go to this page where someone can watch this video on this Temu kitchen products, and they can click here, and it's going to take them to Temu, where they can go ahead and get their coupon, where I'm going to go ahead and get a commission when they start buying products on Temu. So we now have our link ready to go. Now we need to focus on traffic. What we're going to be doing is focusing on Pinterest, okay? The reason why is because this is very untapped specifically for Temu products right now. So this is what we're going to be focusing on in this tutorial. What I did is I went into ChatGPT and I said, what are the top niches in Pinterest? Because we want to stick to the top where they're getting volume. And number 3 is food recipes. And that's one of the reasons why I picked this kitchen haul video. That's one of the top 3 niches. The next one is I want to ask ChatGPT the demographics of Pinterest. Are there more women or men on Pinterest? Around 60 to 70% of users are women. So that's another reason why I went ahead with the kitchen haul, because women are interested in this mostly, and the demographic on Pinterest is women, and the top niche, or one of the top 3 niches, is cooking. So perfect, well, I think it's the perfect video for us for what we're trying to do. The next step is we need to go ahead and create a pin so we can go ahead and post our content.
Alright, so apparently what it said, right, is that household items, like what I mentioned on earlier as well, is that it actually makes more sense when it comes to the whole online side of things, especially when it comes to Pinterest, right? So he did mention that he gave a quick ChatGPT search, right? He did mention that over at Pinterest, right, most of the demographics over there are women, right? And then women, and then the other thing is it will be more so on household items, kitchen items related. So I think that will make more sense. So what we were searching earlier on, right, at least for me, right, I was actually planning on doing the tech gadget side of things. So over at Pinterest, I don't think there's going to be a lot of men over there, a lot of men shopping for tech related gadgets. Maybe it's not the right place over there. So I'm going to go back to YouTube over here. I'm going to search best Temu household items instead and just stick to his example. Alright, so I'm going to stick to his example. I'm going to be using this video right here, the best Temu home finds. I found so many hidden treasures. Okay, so I'm going to use this link instead, and I'm going to go back to Sniply, same old thing, and just generate a Sniply link.
Head over to canva.com, and we're going to put in Pinterest. Okay, so what I did is I put in Pinterest kitchen. I'm going to go to this one here, nice, plain and simple, nothing too crazy, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in, so our video is best kitchen Temu haul. Okay, budget. Okay, so I'm just going to do something here. I'm going to take out the 10. Just remember, we're doing this quick for free on this tutorial, super easy. Now, what I want to do is I want to go to share, and then I want to go to download, okay?
Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're going to head over to Canva Pro, and then we're going to find something that's related to our Pinterest kitchen household items sort of things. So I'm going to go with Pinterest household items. Alright, so I've created a quick Canva image, Pinterest template over here, whatever you want to call it. So this image over here, we're going to be using it for Pinterest, right? We're going to be promoting, we're going to be gathering traffic from Pinterest, right? Because we already explained earlier on, most of our target audience is going to be hanging out around at Pinterest, especially when it comes to the whole home finds, the whole household items sort of things. Okay, so this is the image that I'm going to be using, and let's see what we're going to do next.
I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, write me a short description for Pinterest pin about my Temu budget kitchen haul. I'm going to let ChatGPT go ahead and give us a description.
Alright, so this is going to be the prompt they're going to be using, just like what he mentioned, but instead of kitchen, it's going to be best household finds right here.
We'll go back to Pinterest, and we're going to go and post a pin. All right, so I go ahead and I have my pin uploaded. I want to show you a trick with all of this from Temu. And then we want to go ahead and get our description here. Get your own Temu. Okay, and we can actually go here, we can put in a coupon code as well. We'll just say 30% off, for example. So we can grab that, we can go back to here, 30% off. And we can put in our code that people are going to put into Temu, right? But what we can also do is we can get our Sniply thing. This is what people are going to see. And we're going to go add link. Okay, and then we're going to go Publish.
Or apparently I don't really have like a code to be keyed in, right? He actually has it. I'm actually trying to find it over here, but I don't really have it, so I'm not gonna include it.
There's two ways that we can make money here. If someone clicks on this image, they're going to go to that Sniply link that we had, and they can actually watch that video that we put up there, right? So there you go. They can watch the video, they can click on here and get the Temu coupon. Or they can go ahead and put our code in that we have here. They could potentially read this, and then they could go to Temu themselves, however they get there, and they could use our code to get 30% off. So there's two ways that we can make money from this single pin.
Alright, so I'm done creating my Pinterest pin. Is that what it's called? The pin? Yeah, I'm creating a pin. Yeah, correct. Create pin. I'm gonna go ahead and publish right here. So this is my link, right? And then this is my description. There's from ChatGPT, and this is my title that I came up for myself. I mean, I just follow whatever it said. And then this is the image that I created from Canva. I'm gonna go ahead and click publish right here. Boom. All right, publish complete. What we have to do is just wait and hope for the best that some people actually click on our pins. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna wait for a few days, and then I'm gonna come back here and give you guys a quick update. Hopefully it works. Hopefully there's some kind of conversion, right? Conversion, that's all I want. That's what I want. Even if we get views, it doesn't matter, because if there's no conversion, there's no money, right? We want money. We want to earn the money over here. We want to be earning the $100 a day, right? That's what we want. All right, so I'm gonna come back to you guys and give you guys a quick update. Hopefully soon. Maybe I'll come back like, I don't know, man. Like I said, 3 days or 4 days, or maybe I'll just update you guys from the comment section down below. So keep a lookout. All right, scroll down, keep a lookout. Go to the description sort of things or the comment section. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing. As far as this method goes, it's pretty legit. I don't see anything sketchy over here. So I think you guys can actually go ahead and try it out. Yeah, because you guys know Pinterest is obviously a legit thing. And then Temu as well is getting bigger and bigger only. Yeah. So for the most part, I think this concept, right, it might work, right? It might work. Because I do know, and I heard that most people, right, they actually generate business, right? Generate traffic from Pinterest, and then they actually send the traffic from Pinterest to their products or whatever it is they are selling, and they're actually earning money. So go ahead, go and do it. I think it works. Yeah, I mean, it works or not, that's another thing. But is it legit or not? Is it real? I think it is real for the most part. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead.